Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to collect donations on your Twitch account. So let's start. First open a browser and go to twitch.com and log into your account. In order to collect donations on your Twitch account, you have to be a Twitch partner. Go to your channel dashboard and then achievements. And here you will see many requirements. In order to collect and give donations in Twitch, you have to become a Twitch partner. These are the requirements of being a Twitch partner. There is another way to collect donations on Twitch, and that is Streamlabs. Just go to streamlabs.com and log in with your Twitch account. Now tap on Authorize. Select Choose Starter and tap Continue. Now you have to connect a payment method. You can select PayPal, Skrill, or even UnitPay. Select the convenient payment method and then tap Continue. And that's how you can collect donations on Twitch. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.